Han, what is the English of almoranas, Han? Uy!
Hun, I gotta know what almoranas means first.
Almoranas. It's not parasite, Han? What is that? Good morning, guys. Look, this is. I will show you somebody. I will show you somebody, okay? I see somebody out here. Hi, bug! Look at the bug, guys. Hi, bug! Hi, bug! Bug! Hubs! Yes, I see you over there. I see you over there. Yes, I did. How are you, baby? Good morning, baby. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? Bug. Roxy, I just lay you out. My tiger. My little tiger. My little tiger. Everybody's still sleeping, guys. And I'm awake, I'm editing. And before editing, I'm gonna play with my empty bug. Guys, good morning. I think I'm gonna let this other one in. He just wanna kiss his brother. His brother, Chris? Kisses? Kisses? Oh, don't nut the butt. It's 8:30 already, guys. And I'm done editing. Well, I don't have to insert shout out over there, guys. Oh, I have a really bad dream last night, guys. I was dreaming thicks. You know thicks? Thicks everywhere, like the carpet everywhere, my body. I have to like, and then I'm dreaming something weird. The dog just come out in the yard all the time, and then freak me out. And the thicks is the yard also surrounded with thicks. Yes, it's a really bad dream. Anyway, I'm gonna have breakfast. Han, do you want egg? Han? No, whatever. I'm gonna eat alone as usual. Yeah. Guys, I saved 3 bananas. I saved them. It's a good ripe. It's dark, but it's nice ripe inside. Not like mush. But I bring it over here from the other house that I can make banana bread. Stupid of me. I don't realize that I don't have baking soda here. So I'm gonna throw this bad banana. Badass. They're still good, guys. You can tell inside it's still good. I don't know if you can make banana bread without baking soda. Baking soda is the K of baking. What? Oh yeah. Banana pancake. I don't wanna throw this out. It's just I keep this safe like this. That is not a mush. Okay, I will cut it. Let's go. Somebody's running. Come over. Look at this. Look at this burger. I am making egg for Tommy. Wait, Jaco. Fuck. Shucks. Ay, nako. He jumped in the thing and you know, he slide. Ay. You are a coach. He jumped in the thing, guys, and look, he moved. He moved the whole thing. You behave, crazy cat. You have a good exercise over here. I'm having my tinola. Ihihit ko lang yan, guys. It's weird, but this is really very Filipino. I don't want to heat it in the microwave, that's why. My bag. Let me put this back. Let me put this color of yours in thing, because this bothers you. I'm sure it bothers you. I'm sure it bothers my bug. I'm sure. And this one right here is try to open the door. Are you trying to open the door? Hey. You're not allowed in there, baby. Don't be mad. He just snipped you behind. He just did that. Ah, it's a blackbird. It's right there, guys. Blackbird. No, Misty, that blackbird can carry you, Misty. Somebody's cooking. Somebody's cooking. Cooking. Let me turn that light on over there. We never really tried it. We never really do it. Yeah. No. Look, it's working though. Oh, I thought the other one that over there doesn't work though. Over there in the corner. No. One, two, three, four, five. The corner. You put one in the corner. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna clean the spot over here. It's not really bad. It's just I saw like my head. I saw something. I'm gonna clean it. I'm done. There's no yellow spots anymore. I don't know who did it. Maybe Dimples when we bring them over here Christmas, or previous owner because they have a dog. And when we came here, when we get this house, I saw yellow spot in the hallway also. So I think it's their dog. It's not really like obvious, but I'm checking on the, I can see a little yellow thing. I was lying down here, guys, and Roxy just kept staring at me. No, look at her. Do you want jambalaya? Jambalaya? Who wants jambalaya? Jambalaya, tunga 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 tung. Do you want some jambalaya laya? Who wants to be a jambalaya? Din? Din? Sam? Supernatural? Din? She's been itching last night, guys, like crazy. So it's time for her to check her. It's time to check my princess, right? Yeah, it's time to check my princess. Yes, good girl. You too, Misty. But I'm gonna do Roxy, okay? I'm gonna bother the dog. Please, you can see that. What I did, luckily, I did them. I put something in them for a flea. I do it monthly, guys. These animals, I do monthly. Put something in their body, let them take some heartworm, right, Mitch? You behave, you good girl. The best girl in the world. Yes, you have to wait, Mitch. Look at this other one, he can't wait. Misty, right? You have to wait, Misty. Look at this other one. You have to wait. Wait for your turn. It's a good girl. What? Guys, guys, look at this one. What? Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this position, guys. Look at this. Look at this. She loves it. She is a baby. And look who's in the bed. I don't know if you guys can see. Hubs is right there. I love you so much. Okay, I'm checking if you have something in your skin, okay? I'm checking you itching crazy last night. So it's time to cheeky on you, okay? Okay, cheeky now. Oh, you're so nice and hairy and fluffy and yummy. I know. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are a good girl. So good. She really is behaved. I check on her hand.
Yeah.
She's behaved. Hi guys. We are out and about. Not really yet out. We just get out from the house. We're in the car. We're gonna contact some good gardener. Inigwi guys. Anyway guys, I will see you later. We're just gonna find the gardener company and that's really it. That's it. Guys, I told Tommy we're gonna have a lot of spicy vinegar, and this is good for almoranas. I told him that this is good for almoranas, and I asked him, what is the English of almoranas, son?
You said it was like a butt. You said it was your butt thing, so I think it was. That's an asshole.
What? I said it's a butt thing.
So it's an asshole.
That's the English of it. I said asshole.
It's good for your almoranas.
Han, what is the English of almoranas, Han? Uy!
Son, I gotta know what almoranas means first. You said it was butt thing?
Almoranas. Almoranas?
More
You know-
love, so you just love with your butt.
No, the thing that you have.
Butt love.
No, the meat that came out in your butt.
The meat that comes out of your butt. Poop.
No, Han, that's not
What
meat.
meat comes out of your butt?
You know when you're bleeding, something like that.
And meat comes out of your butt?
Is that meat?
Son? Something wrong with you.
Whatever.
Meat comes out of your butt.
No, what is the Han? The bleeding,
Roast
Han?
beef. Meat comes out of your butt.
No, I'm talking to you.
Pastrami. Pastrami butt.
Whatever.
Ugh.
Hi guys. Everyone's sleeping. Everyone is freaking sleeping. They're so freaking tired. I just let Tommy go to sleep because he is driving home and I'm gonna be in my bedroom. Anyway guys, I was enjoying my dinner, my lunch. I had that the inununan, yung paksiw. I have that also good, plus the leftovers tinula, yung tinula, the fish soup that I made in the other house. I brought it here. Okay. Oh, Tommy, we went to the, okay guys, Tommy and I, we went to the place to find some gardener lawnmower thing, and we can't find that. I thought the neighbor told us that there is a company up there in close to us, and we can't find it. So Tommy called somebody and he doesn't answer, so he leave a voicemail. And let's see, because our yard is the grass is very high compared to the neighborhood, to the neighbors, and it's supposedly last week or 2 weeks ago the gardener should be already here, but every year you have to renew your contract. Our previous gardener last year, you know, and then we don't sign the contract again, so we're gonna find another one. I hope he's leaving me, guys.
Well, yeah, I don't even know yet.
No, she said she's doing it to the other house.
No. That's done.
No.
It'll be a
No. Huh?
glass.
Your glass? That's not your glass. It's over there. Oh guys, the one that I said, guys, the talking about asshole is not, it's not parasite, huh? What is that? What is it?
Pain in the ass.
Pain in the ass.
Hemorrhoid. Pain in the ass.
Hemorrhoid, guys. It's not, we called it, no, what did I call it, huh? I forgot our word. Asshole.
It's meat that comes out of your ass.
Asshole.
Meat that comes out of your ass.
Meat. You know, it's just like a skin, a type of skin, a type of flesh that came out in your ass.
Yeah, it's ass meat.
Hemorrhoid. Not paranoid, guys. Hemorrhoid. That's if you have hemorrhoid. This is what I'm talking. If you have hemorrhoid and you eat so much spicy, you're gonna ruin more. It later on when you go to the doctor, it get worse. So yeah, so that's the thing.
The other thing is
Hemorrhoids. Now I forgot our own dialect, our own language. And this is really how you can fix this now. This over here. I'm gonna miss this person right here.
I can fix it, but I don't have what it takes.
Look at that, my good-looking man. My good-looking man over there. He's a good-looking man. He loves juices, guys. I don't know what juice you're drinking, Han. Watermelon.
No, it's not punch.
Orange. It's not orange.
Fruit punch.
But punch. I don't like that punch. It really punched my stomach.
To the camera boy, please. What? This should break my chops. Hemorrhoids. What's another day for hemorrhoid? Pain in the ass. What's another day for pain in the ass? Wife.
Oops.
Wife.
Hey, come here. Look at the guy.
Oh no!
That's so good. Every time I squeeze that. Honey, can I squeeze it again? Honey, come here, me.
What?
Come here, baby. I love you.
On.
Ouch! This is really close to my thing. Oh, it's hurt.
What did I do that? You're a pest. You're on camera.
I
Go.
Hi guys, it's 4:54. It's almost 6 o'clock. Tommy is still here. He's working tomorrow early, and he's still here. Bad idea. But I'm able to cook him something very special, never eaten before. What is it, hon? What is it? Huh? There's no table here. I transfer everything.
I noticed that.
So anyway, guys, so I'm doing barbecue right there. You can see smoky out there. I'm playing with Dada. Ay nako.
Pineapple.
He's looking at you really sadly.
Big hammers. Monkey girl.
Ay nako. Roxy doesn't like that when you play with the other one.
Monkey girl. You got little monkey girl. Where's your collar? Who took your collar off?
Mama.
How come everybody takes their collar off? That's not good. Collars stay on.
He's trying to bite you. Ay nako.
Can I pull your ears? Pull your ears.
My steak, guys, done. It's done. My steak. And the salad we're having. And of course, I am making rice also, guys. Look at it. It's already 7 o'clock, guys. And Tommy have to work early tomorrow. I bring the barbecue grill inside. It's 7:30 already. And they're gonna be driving in the rain. Hey, gee. So look, I put the grill right here. It's dirty looking.
I got nothing there.
I know Tommy missed the cat, guys. He misses the cat. Okay, guys. Everybody left. Well, My husband left and my mother-in-law. My husband sad, not because he's leaving me. He is sad because the cat is here. I don't let him bring the cat. I don't want to torture the cat, like running back and forth. And Dimple's already like, you know, freaking out. Oh, Dimple's right here. Dimple, Lord. Hi, long time no see, baby. Long time no see, Dimples. You've been hiding. I love you, baby. I love you. No, Misty, stay there. Hi, Dimps. She got to lay there when she's peeing. Go downstairs. Let's go downstairs. Let's go. Hobbs is right there. And Dimple Lords too is right here. Oh, my Dimple Lords are here. My cats are here. The thing about cats, they are sleeping in the daytime, but in the nighttime they're kind of roaming around. I noticed Dimples last night. This morning she's roaming around. So that's Dada. Hello.
On behalf of everyone here at TAC, I'd like to apologize for your inconvenience.
That's weird. I answer it and then. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Tommy just get out from the gasoline station, and I'm going to close this vlog now because it's already late. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I'm just gonna give the cats, the dog, treats. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna end this vlog because I'm gonna just like relax for now. But guys, if you're not subscribed on my channel, please do subscribe. And if you do like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you do, thank you to all of you guys watching my video. I appreciate it so much. Good night, guys. Bye.
Guys, you need to protect your pets from fleas and ticks. You look like a little kid with big giant sunglasses on and